flooding of Isengard. After dumping 55 tonnes of water, obviously we've got the issue of getting rid of it and what we do with it. So we're actually recycling it, because to fill these two containers with 55 tonnes of water takes about an hour and a half. So to save time and to save water, we're actually recycling it. We've put additives in the water to stop foaming, because foaming is quite often an issue with shooting the water effects.